Alright guys, I'm Chris Palmer. Welcome back to the channel. If you are interested in learning SEO, local SEO, and learning more tips like in this video, please subscribe. But in today's video, we will discuss a local SEO method to earn a citation or build a citation using YouTube SEO. This is a method or a secret that, not a lot of people are sharing. So I decided to share it with my subscribers, and that will be in today's local SEO video. Let's get into it. So let's just jump right into it. No fluff. What you're going to need is you're going to need a YouTube account and you're going to need a verified GMB. Okay, these two things will work alongside each other, and here's what you're going to want to do, and then I'll discuss a couple other tips and tricks that you can do towards the end of the video, so stay tuned with me. So the first thing you're going to need, like I said, is a YouTube channel, and also you're going to need, let's just go right over to YouTube. I'll pull up my channel, and you're going to need a verified GMB. Let's just say that we already have our verified GMB. Let's just go over to Google Maps, and we're going to look for Plumbers, Philadelphia. Okay, so you will have your verified GMB. Okay, now I'm going to show you this method to building citations. So once you have your, let's just go right over to Google Maps. Let's just pull that up, because what we will then do is you're looking for your verified GMB. You'll already be logged in, but I'm just showing you with someone else's. Okay, so we're just going to go for Plumber, Philadelphia. Okay, just that's something that's near me. Okay, all right, so we have this guy here. If this is you, please, I'm just using this as an example. So you have your verified GMB and you have your YouTube account. Okay, now how do you build the citation using YouTube? I'm going to show you that right now. So you'll have your video. Let's say you go out and you create 20 videos, or you were to spin 20 videos inside of your YouTube account. Okay, what you will then do is you will go to your videos. Okay, let's just pull up one of mine. Let's go right into here. I'm going to show you what it is that you need to do. Okay, this is how to build a citation using YouTube. It's a secret citation. That's what I'm calling it. And this is what you're going to want to do. So on each of the videos that you created for your business, okay, on your account, on a client's account, an aged account, whatever the case may be, and inside of your videos, okay, down at the bottom, what you're going to want to do is you'll have your business name, right, your address, right? You should also have your phone number. But what you're going to want to do is to build this citation, you will then get your share link from your Google My Business, and you will then insert it into your video. So you'll have your name, your address, and your share link. Okay? This will then create a YouTube citation. This is great for your local SEO. Let me add a couple key points, like I said that I would. What you're going to want to do, all right, is you can create as many videos as you want. Let's say that you're using spin software, or you have created tons of videos already. you'll add your name, address, phone number. You'll add your Google My Business share link, right? This is you're creating a YouTube citation. Okay, no one's sharing this information. The next thing is you can also start putting in, let's just say you have other things that you want to do. Let's say you have your posts, your Google My Business site, or just a Google site. The key point here is you're trying to make connections for Google. It will help out with your entity overall, and this will truly help your local SEO campaigns. This is how to build a citation using YouTube. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. I know it's a simple method, but not a lot of people are talking about it. Try it out, and we hope to see you in the next SEO video. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one.